Okay, day one, part two. So what have we got to do next? Right, so part two. Now, given the same instructions, find the position of the first character that causes him to enter the basement floor -1. The first character in the instructions has position 1, the second character has position 2, and so on. So for example, the closed parentheses there causes him to enter the basement character position 1. Next one causes him to enter the basement at character position 3. What position does Santa enter the basement? Right, so it's a build on from the previous part 1. So let's clean up some of those tests. Let's copy these tests in for our next case. And this time we're interested in the indices. Right, and what have we got here? So this should be an answer of 5, and here we should have an answer of 1. Okay, so yeah, the first time we enter the floor. Okay, so we've imported the script. So what we want to know is the index of our characters, and we can do that by adding enumerate after chars. And we can unpack this so we can have I and C. So we'll get the index that we're at and the character. So then we can still do our iterating through the floors, and we want to then identify if we reach floor -1. Yep, floor -1. So we do if floor equals -1, we will want to break because that's the first time we reached it. And we just want to return I here. Maybe let's do that. Return I +1, because that's the there we go. As no I. Oh no, this can be just a usize this time when it's okay. So let's say we'll return that. Otherwise, we'll return 0. That's in case we fall through and we don't reach it, but we should, in the first case, reach it at the first step and the 5-step in our test cases. Right, let's say if we do cargo test. There we go, yeah, so we've passed the 2 tests. That's it. So, yep, we should be going first floor and 5th floor. Right, now let's try and run that through our puzzle. And yeah, just to note, yeah, I put the I +1 there is because of course we start index at 0 in Rust. So let's do cargo run, and we arrive at the floor in steps 1, 7, 8, 3. Let's see if this works. So we'll put that into our code 1, 7, 8, 3. Fantastic, great. So that's part 2. Very simple there. Nice just addition of just checking which index we were at when we reached the floor. Fantastic. Thank you. Now we're on to day 2, part 1. See you in the next one.